Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ClickUp with Entra ID SSO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate ClickUp with Entra ID SSO, begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the lower left corner of your ClickUp workspace. Click on your profile avatar to open the account settings. From the settings menu, select Security. Look for the single sign-on option in the security settings. Click on Enable SSO. You'll need to enter the necessary Entra ID details. Visit your Entra ID admin portal in a separate browser tab. In the Entra ID portal, navigate to the Enterprise Application section. Click on New Application to create a new integration. Choose Non-Gallery Application to set up ClickUp. Name your application ClickUp and click Add. Once added, go to the application's overview page. Locate and select the Single Sign-On option. Choose SAML as your single sign-on method. You will see a section labeled Basic SAML Configuration. Click on Edit to enter the necessary configuration details. In the identifier field, use the URL provided by ClickUp for SSO. For the reply URL, enter the corresponding URL provided by ClickUp. Set the sign-on URL if required, following ClickUp's instructions. Save your changes after filling in the necessary fields. Next, scroll down to the User Attributes and Claims section. Verify the claims needed for ClickUp's authentication and adjust if necessary. Head to the SAML Signing Certificate section. Download the Federation Metadata XML file or the certificate. Return to your ClickUp workspace settings. Upload the certificate you downloaded to complete the configuration. Lastly, save all changes in both ClickUp and Entra ID. Test the SSO to ensure everything is working correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.